Feeling well?
Yes, sir.
Doing well?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely fine?
Yes, sir.
Completely fine?
Yes, sir.
Safe and sound?
Yes,
That's amazing, beautiful fine. Tell me about the weather. How is the weather today?
Scorching. The weather is wonderful.
The weather is wonderful. Yes, mister. How is the weather today? The weather is?
Scorching.
The weather is scorching. Do you like this weather? Why? Yes, sir. Okay, Sabia, tell me about the weather. How is the weather today? The weather is hot. Okay, Sabia, tell me how do you enjoy this weather? How do you enjoy this weather? I didn't say that do you enjoy this weather. I said that how do you enjoy this weather? I said how do you enjoy this weather?
This weather I enjoy swimming.
Yes? Sleeping? Okay, thank you so much. It was very nice. Please come in.
Is
Yes, guys, tell me about the weather. How is the weather today? The weather is not good. Okay, guys, tell me how do you enjoy this weather? How do you enjoy this kind of weather? No, I said how do you enjoy this kind of weather? चिकन दास से मुस्लिम की तरफ किससे बोल रहा है इससे किया अक्सर
Nothing. You will stay at home.
Yes, come in. Adla children what
This weather is
Be careful. Okay, tell me about the date. What date is today?
29.
Today is date. September
29.
29, 2000.
25.
What day is today? What day is
Monday.
today? Today is Monday. Okay, so do you have any kind of good news or bad news? Anyone? Yes.
Sir, good news. Sir, yesterday never win the match but did not receive a cup.
Okay. Ready?
Yes, sir.
because they boycott on Mohsin Naqvi. He said, someone give me a trophy, no Mohsin Naqvi.
India did not receive a cup.
Did Pakistan bring that trophy?
This is too busy for Pakistan.
Okay. This is insert. This is insert for Pakistan. Indeed. It was a bad match. Indeed. It was a bad match also. It was a tense match. I really hate it. I swear. Next up.
Yesterday,
Uncle. Your uncle went to Dubai. Okay. Are you happy? Why not? We have to be happy because he will send a lot of money to you. That's good. Outstanding. Next up. Nice news.
So, yesterday we went to Plaza
Okay.
and we bought ourselves clothes, shoes, and some things.
For what?
Because my brother wedding on next Sunday on Galaxy wedding party.
Really?
So in our family member joyful moment, and everyone said, sorry,
Boy.
why not keep it?
Yes.
Keep this one and the other one. And
Yes, coming.
I was over there and down.
I'll buy this. I'll buy this. I'll buy this. Understand? Thank you so much. It was very nice. You have this covered here. Yes. Just tell us so much soon. You have some. Hurry up. Ubaidullah, can you bring me level 3 book? Yes, I forget it in the office. Next, yeah, fresh news. Yes,
Good news, sir.
take a start.
My school time has changed.
Quarter past.
Quarter past.
We will go to school at quarter past 8 o'clock.
Quarter means 2:30.
Okay. We will a school off at 2:30 o'clock. Half past 2 o'clock. Thank you so much. It was very nice to go back. It was superb. Next, Sophia, fresh news. Anyone? Oh yeah. I'm just standing here for you. Abdullah, fresh news. Okay, then how was your Sunday, Abdullah? How was your Sunday? How was your Sunday? Yes, can you explain it? It doesn't work. Don't you ask me? Yes? Thanks a bunch. Okay, yes, sister. Do you have condolences or radius?
Good news.
Yes, sister. Take a start. Okay. The day before yesterday, yeah. And I think you were absent, both of you. Both of you are absent, so you have to pay fine. Understand? Good job. Next up. Yes, mister. Oh, we can start. Okay, then. Okay. You have gone into the hospital. Outstanding, super. Clap for him. Clap for him. Good job. Literally was super. Outstanding, super. Great. Next up. Fresh news. Yes, sister. Anyone? Go ahead and words. Yes. Do you have? Just share it. Yes. Definitely. Everybody knows about it. Okay. I can't see being a loser. I can't see. We cannot bear it. Next up. Being a loser, I hate it. Being a loser, I hate it. Yes. Next up, stupid. Yes, they are gonna insult you. That's the इज्जती करता है. It is called insult. It is indirect insult होता. Okay, next up. You had ice cream. Outstanding, super, good job. Really appreciate you. Fresh news. Yesterday was a teacher day. Yesterday was a teacher day. Okay, for what? Teacher card. Good job, nice. And next yes. I was making a teacher card. Understand? The past continuous tense is हमारे का ना. तेरे में जोड़ कर दे. I made a teacher card. अब तेरे में जोड़ो नहीं पास की continue करना. I was making teacher card. Next hurry up, fresh news. Yes, you. Oh, you need to work on. Did you enjoy? Outstanding, super, good job. What is just open your book? What did I teach you last time? Anyone? Good job. Coordination and with so plus verb was first form. Next one. Welcome topic of indefinite pronoun. Something, anything, and nothing. Next topic of it is adjective plus noun. It is difficult to learn English. It is difficult to learn English. That's the mother of It is easy to speak English. It is easier to speak English. It is difficult to learn new language. The language is the here. Next step, sir. It is easy to come to the academy. That is आसान है academy तरह और कोई लोग शाबाश खुला पेन
Fifty-four.
page number
Show
55.
one.
Okay, I think so. We will study presentation number 7. Am I right?
Six.
Yes,
Six.
of course.
Presentation number 6.
Huh?
Section number 6. What is the weather forecast for tomorrow? I will just forecast it will the day of tomorrow.
Presentation number 7.
6.
Huh?
The presentation number 6. Introduction. Introduction asking for
Okay,
information.
interaction number 6. Interaction number 6. Understand? Interaction number 6. Book the board, everybody. Interaction number 6. Sophia interaction. Okay, next. Forecast. Okay, listen students, another students you have to ask from another two students for about the weather forecast. Forecast तो या patient गई तो या तो मतलब weather patient गई और क्या? How we will give patient गई मुझे patient गई सिंगल को how we will give forecast? What is the weather forecast for tomorrow? What is the weather forecast for tomorrow? This is the मतलब. What is the weather forecast for tomorrow? सवाल आपको patient गई तो मौसम बारे में सिंगल understand? The student number 2 will say, well, I just heard it will be rainy tomorrow. It will be rainy tomorrow. I just heard malos what is the cheese सवाल बस चीज़ बारानिया. Forecast means forecast. Patient गई. Come on, you can say anything from your own side. Now, for example, how is the weather? What is the weather forecast for the weekend? Rahmani after Rahman hafta का मौसम कैसी होगा? Understand? Student number 2 will say, well, I just read the forecast. Mouse patient view को पता है अभी weather. So yeah, it will cloudy this weekend. Understand? You can say anything from your own side. Don't put up the hard situation. Come on, do the passage and do practice on it. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up.
What is the
It will rain. Mansur is there.
Okay, presentation. No. Just hold on. What's her name? Aisha, you will ask the question from her. And the question is Shabas. It will be rainy tomorrow. It will be cloudy tomorrow. It will be sunny tomorrow. We can say anything from on side. So that's not to understand. Okay, let's come to what presentation number 7. Presentation number 7. Jawad interaction. Jawad. Frequency with big. Listen, students. I told you we use adverb of frequency after to be verb. Adverb of frequency बहुत to be verb के उत्तर से किस इस्तेमाल हुआ? तो आखिरी नंबर में इस्तेमाल हुआ. For example, I am always sick. So I हमेशा शिवा बीमार है. So I told you that we use adverb of frequency after to be verb. Adverb of frequency को कब इस्तेमाल हुआ? तो to be verb. So in the verb was change here to be verb. Was change here to be verb. So we use adverb of frequency after to be verb. But if it has adverb of frequency we use between subject and verb in simple present tense and simple past tense. Thus समावेश adverb of frequency को होगा the subject और the verb को दरमियान के इस्तेमाल होगा. मतलब tense के simple present tense के और simple past tense के. Understand? So let's look what the book rush here. Headlines are always in big letters. Headlines are always in big letters. What is the adverb of frequency here? Always. This is called adverb of frequency. Underline the short. Come on, hurry up. Just underline it. Underline it. Always you have to underline it. You have to underline adverb of frequency. So here, always it is adverb of frequency. Okay, headlines are always in big letters. What does it mean? So मतलब headlines are always in big letters. So मतलब headlines are always capital लिखेंगे. वहाँ double letters capital letter हो गया. Headlines में मुझे हमेशा शेप या capital हो गया. Understand? और कि कौन the rest example you have to read it by yourself. Don't couple read it out. Come on, hurry up.
Important stories are usually on the first page, but sports articles are not.
Okay, so let's start. Listen to us. Do you understand its meaning? What they are saying? The meaning of which this important stories are usually on the first page. So मतलब
Story of a first page.
what are important stories are usually on the first page. Important खबरी अक्सर first page पर होती है ना. Okay, sports articles are often on the first page. तो मतलब sports articles are not often on the first page. ठीक है, तो sports information वगैरह ज़्यादा पढ़ने के लिए जो अब आप करेक्ट वर्ड है ना. और फिर next come towards skill building number 8. Skill building number 8. Interaction. Mustafa, interaction. Skill building number 8. Make sentences from these words. What they are saying that we have to make sentences from these words. Listen to us. They have mentioned adverb of frequency. This is adverb of frequency but you के पास sentences के रख लेगा. So adverb of frequency बमुका the to be verb ना बात का लगा वो और simple the subject or the verb कमर्स की लगा वो कम tense किया simple present tense किया और simple past tense किया. Look at the first one. पहले लिखा हुआ है always dash open always dead open is restaurant. That restaurant is always open. Outstanding, superb, good job. Come on, hurry up. The rest you have to make it by yourself. Don't look for the shop. Good job. Hurry up. Hurry up. Okay. Huh? 2 number. Huh? It is sometimes cool. Yeah. It is sometimes. Huh? In the spring, outstanding. It is sometimes cold in the spring. Good job. Hurry up. The rest you have to make it by yourself. I said don't even jump. What is your present version?
She is.
She is hard to understand. Good job. Nice. Hurry up. Okay, the rest that is your homework. None of the homework. Reentry number 9. Reentry number 9. Reentry number. Okay, reentry number 9. Yes, Mr. Secretary. Usman, interaction. Coordination with and so plus word plus noun. Okay, why do you use this structure? This structure. Gamma delivered to topic. Okay. This hold on. Huh?
My friend works.
Stop talking. देखो तो अगर रूल्स जो है ना डेफिनेशन से करेगा with 2 person 2 places and things are performing the same action. So we will go toward this topic. We will go to this structure. For example, London is beautiful. Pakistan is beautiful. London is beautiful and so is Pakistan. And so is Pakistan. So Pakistan of history or London of history. Golkata Samavili, Chita Bakale, Tita Bakale was one. Chita sentence was a positive here. The God sentence was sentence here. Or the God sentence here. The God tense here. Same idea here. Same idea here. Understand? So let's talk about the book here. Make a sentence using and so. And so by इस्तेमाल होगा. जैसे कि so मास अच्छी दिया. So much Syria and Bulgaria. This is the first one example to Korea. My friend wants to learn English. My friend wants to learn English and I want to learn English. So how to make it? Sing it. My friend wants to learn English and so do I. Outstanding. Good job. And so do I. Okay, how to make the first one? Because it's No.
These are it.
And so did Lisa. Joyce wrote a letter and so did
Did Lisa?
And so
Lisa did.
and so did Lisa.
Did Lisa did. Did Lisa there was another question did she
And so did Lisa. Lisa
Lisa should have a question.
and so did Lisa. That's structure there. Understand? Joyce wrote a letter. And so did Joyce. And so did Lisa. Come on, the rest you have to make it for yourself. Make it understand. The noun was like to travel, and so do the young. And so the young family that. And so were Carlos and Anna. Listen, Hajimi and Elio were at the Olympics. And so were Carlos and Anna.
Number 6 escape.
Escape means Farah. Escape. Farah, the past one, escape. Stop it. Mansoor, take the first one. What? Joyce wrote a letter. And so did Lisa. Yes, Aisha, make the next one. 2 numbers. The now was. No, and so do the young. That was in the present tense there. The now was like. Simple present tense like. The now was complete. Okay, third one. And 5. Third one. Simple past asked him. But the robbers escaped and so did the mother. We got a mother of robber girl. Understand? Good job. Okay, make the fourth one. Make the fourth one. So don't know what what? At the huh? And so what? And so were Carlos and Anna. And so were Carlos and Anna. Imran, make the five one. Abdullah.
Pablo and Melanie are
Married.
married, and so
Huh?
and so are Tom and Adela.
And so are Tom and Adela. Understand? Next one, sir. Okay, the rest you have to do it by yourself. Number one. Okay, let's move on. 10 number. The next number 10. Part Mari correction. 2 plus word plus that is summation or it is summation. Read that contrast form. The contrast form the it is. Understand now? Okay, it is plus adjective plus noun day plus 2 plus word plus comma. Why do we use this structure for this malo? It is used to show that how someone feels about doing something. Doing something. For example, it is difficult to learn new language. It is easy to learn English. English is It is easy to play with India. That is India don't hurry up, read these examples. Jawad, sentences read the showers. Read these sentences. It is expensive to take occasion. That expenses तो महंगा होता हो यार. वो that is ज़्यादा ग्रांड चित्र इसके चुटाने वाले यार. Okay, listen, sir. It is easy to eat a lot. There are some good job. Okay, let's move on. Skill building number 11. Skill building 11. Aisha, read the action. Choose an adjective in a phrase to make a sentence. Okay, how do you have to make a sentence from a university or a sentence? Burhan? First number one. Okay, it is Burhan. 2 number namas rawas. Kelinin me good rawas. 2 number F rawas. F is Shelia. See you again. It is good to see you again. It is good to see you again. ये बहुत अच्छा हुआ जब मैंने आपको दोबारा देखा. It is good to see you again. शाबाश. Sentence से जोड़ के ना मिला वो ही माँ. Sentence से जोड़ के. अभी sentence से जोड़ी का. अभी sentence से जोड़ी का.
He become your hotel. It is wonderful gift picture from friends.
Come there. After that, you give picture from friends. Outstanding work. That's a message.
Important.
It is it is possible to read our computer. Full sir जुड़ेंगे हाँ?
Yes, sir.
You can make it. It is
Correct.
possible to read our to go to Iran
पूरा जगह से कहने मतलब पूरा आवाज it is over get pressure that is important बोलते हैं it is possible right there in Gujarati
Let's move on. This is your homework. This is your homework.
Yes, sir.
This is your homework. Write it as a homework on a piece of paper. Okay. Tomorrow I'll check it. Tomorrow I'll check it. Okay. If you remember this one, scale beginning number 11. This is your homework. Scale beginning number 11. This is your homework. Page number 56. Pronunciation number 12. Pronunciation number 12. Or repeat these words. Okay, repeat it after me. One by one. Go, close, home, open, road, on, snow, phone, toy, door. An old road.
An old road.
A old nose. An old home. No toes. No toes. Closed road. No snow. The snow on the road was cold. The food in their home was old. John's home in Rome is old. Rose knows her toes are cold. Okay, presentation number 13. Indefinite pronouns. Okay, it's enough for today. Listen to this. Indefinite pronouns. I taught this topic on Saturday. I hope you know you got it. Vinyanan Chipata Virata. What is indefinite pronoun? Indefinite pronoun.
it is used by
Sorry about unclear things. Indefinite pronoun customer definition will लिखेगा. Very low, लिखने के लिए. Indefinite pronoun is used to talk about unclear person, place, and thing. Their customer has something, anything, or
Nothing.
nothing. पर के मतलब से दूसरी के लिए it is used to talk about unclear thing. Unclear thing. For example, I want to eat something. I want to buy something for my friend. I want to buy something for my friend. So what is this wall? Understand? So read it again. Listen to it. Whatever I teach you here, that's the master topic to the work. Today is Monday, and so is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday, Wednesday. On Wednesday, I'll check your notebook.
Okay, sir.
They will complete notebook work. Whatever happened, kahar sushi on Wednesday, for example, notebook complete one. Whatever happened, by hook or by crook, kahar sushi the notebook complete one. The jump to complete way. I said I will not let him inside the class. The class will be. No, there is no chance for anyone. Understand now? There is no chance for anyone. If you want to study, just complete your notebook. Understand? There will be no excuse. Your वाला बगल छोड़ो, हाँ? चलिए करिए. कल साना पाते लिया. Otak, Safia. Ta? Nililipili ta? Ta? Okay, yes, number to complete it.
homework is not complete.
No, notebook. Group के source study. Group Group disuk dia. Tepati, tepati. Good job. Tepati. Tepati. That's a good okay. Kita bakal number one किया. Abdullah. Abdullah. Kita number one करते हैं. Tepati group किया. Abdullah का number one किया. Dapat satu responsibility. Dapat satu large board के बदी ना picture जो बात itu lah. अब तो सब किया. Ya Abdullah ते बेसे Dapat kita betul cukup dia masuk tim picture because the picture set का सवाल बताना होता है तब मेरा टास्क तब बनाना बुक मिला उसी टास्क पे कुछ भी किया तब ब्रदर ना मोबाइल वाली आवाज से बोली अंडरस्टैंड यस तब ग्रुप की करना ओके ग्रुप की दायरे कर दी चिकन मैंने उस नंबर वाला शाबाश मतलब से एक्सक्यूज नंबर 12 नंबर जो बात नंबर नो ऊपर से कहां से गया अपने तक Listen, as I told you, the past number sabar dakare was not complete one. No is किस में बाना ना मनका. Understand? Those who were absent yesterday before yesterday stand up. Stand up. Those who were absent on Saturday stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Yes, sir.
Jawab. Daniel. Salman. Ahmad. Ahmad. Answer. Mansur. Aisha. Fatma. Okay. Ayan. Ayan. Ubaid. Abdullah.
Yes, sir.
Abdurrahman. Mohammed Zaid.
Tafsiran bahasa Quran same kile में सवाब होता है
Okay, so here we have a new, your new classmate, Chawan. He will introduce himself. Just go there and introduce yourself. Go here.